I lost the entire audio for the whole video clip, and since I still want to share with you guys the things that I got, I decided to just add a voiceover for this part. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick haul, and hopefully you'll find anything interesting in here. So just keep on watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So first thing that we got was this cushion. We got this for our bar stools in the dining area. It's to add comfort to our solid wood chairs. So yeah, this was really cheap. It only cost at around 150 a piece, I think. If I'm wrong, just click on the lower right or just check the lower right for the prices of all the items that I will be showing you guys today. Next is this floating shelf for the same location. Mom and I wanted to spruce up the dining area, but honestly, I'm looking at it right now and I feel like it would complement our bar area more under a possible overhead cabinet that I'm slowly convincing my mom to have built. So yeah, show me some support and leave a comment down below saying that this would look better in the bar area. And I'll let my mom read it, so she'll be more convinced that this would be better in the bar area. Now finally moving on for the things that I plan to decorate the shelf with. First is this carafe. I really like the design and details for this one. It has this vertical details at its body just like a fluted glass, and triangular details at its bottom and top part. It's very elegant looking, but at the same time it's very affordable, so I really recommend for you guys to check this out. But one thing to note is that you have to buy a separate rubber for it to fully close and keep your drinks fresh for a very long time. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this one. Next is this beautiful wine glass that matches the details of the carafe. If you're like my family and you enjoy a glass of Chardonnay for dinner, then this would be a perfect glass for you. Again, with its beautiful details and thick material, it definitely makes it a must buy. And last is another crystal looking container that again matches everything. For now we have candies in it, but maybe in the future I'll use it to hide house keys. That is not very flattering to see every day. Hooked on a hook. I don't know. Basta yun. This is very beautiful as well. Really like the design, and yeah, can recommend. I also got one of these for my room actually, which is now being used as a everyday ring holder. So yeah, I really like this. I recommend go buy it. Next is something my brother got for his room, which is this wall organizer. I've been seeing a lot of stationery influencers here on YouTube set this up in their craft studios, but since I don't have any wall space available in my room anymore, I just convinced my brother to buy it instead so that I can organize some of his stuff in here. Actually, I told him that I could make this his vanity area and he should buy a mirror beside this one, but the mirror wasn't available at the time, so yeah, he just got this one instead. And yeah, also one thing to note that it didn't come with the hooks or the containers that you use to organize it with. So yeah, I guess you have to buy them separately, but it was sold out at the time, so we will just try our luck at Shopee or Lazada, whichever has it available. So if you have any ideas where we can buy those containers that you can organize this wall decor with, please let me know in the comment section down below. It would be very helpful. Next is this 100 pieces tea light candles, which was on sale. We got this for my Lola since she lights a candle in her altar every day. Honestly, for me, I would prefer it if she used a battery operated candle instead, since it might be more environment friendly in a way. But yeah, I just feel like the bottom of this part is a bit wasteful. I don't even know, but that's just my opinion. Let me know which one you prefer, or if you think my suggestion is bull. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section down below what are your thoughts about this 100 pieces of tiny tea light candles. Now finally for the room decor that I got for myself. First is this dome thing like design. It's similar looking with the one from Beauty and the Beast, so you already know that I grabbed this without hesitation. But honestly, I found something similar at the Pitan, but I didn't ask for the price for that one since I don't want to regret this purchase if that one happens to be much cheaper. Anyways, I do really like the design. I like that it has thick glass material partnered with a gold bottom that definitely complements my room. So how I plan to decorate this in my room, I ordered a battery operated fairy lights at Shopee that I could use to fill this up, and I'll just create a vibe whenever I'm reading at night, journaling, or even drawing. So yeah, definitely a must buy. And last of course are these plants. Yes, they sell live plants at IKEA as well. I already said from my last plant purchase that I won't be getting any cactuses because they just die on me. But when I saw this, I felt that I badly needed it. So yeah, I didn't just got one, I got 3 live plants from IKEA. First is this Lilacina succulent. I had one of these before, but the petals underneath kept dying for no explainable reason. So yeah, anyways, I also like that they added keynotes on the bottom or in the, what do you call this, the cup that comes with it, on how to take care of it. So highly appreciate that, of course. Next is this Peperomia Hope. My mom also got one of these for the living room since it really looked nice. It looked vibrant and very beautiful. It actually looks like a jade plant. Educate me if it is actually a jade plant but has a different name. But yeah, I just really like this. I like this on my room. All of the plants that I'm showing you guys are still thriving, just so you know. Anyways, the last plant and the last thing that I purchased is this heart-shaped philodendron. I already have a ton of this growing through my ceiling, but I decided why not add more. This is one of my favorite plants since it's very easy to take care of. Plus, it's the best indoor plant that you'll buy besides from a snake plant, which is very harmful for your fur babies. So yeah, that pretty much sums up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little haul, this quick video or short video. Hope you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you have any recommendations for me in IKEA, and I'll maybe check it out next time. Anyways, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button with the bell button for more videos from me. As always, stay safe, stay creative, stay you. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye, my friends.